Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos, but I know you don't create your shipping account. What you're waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time it takes to watch this video. You know what? Shipping items them to Jamaica at your doorstep, 25% of what FedEx or DHL will cost you. When you wait for, do it. Click the link in the description box below and sign up now. Create your free shipping account. Where you wait for? We are in the streets. Watch me.